I'm almost swimming, biking, and running each day. Durations of each of those and the intensities of each of those vary throughout the week. Bike rides can range anywhere from an hour to 90 minutes, just easy spin recovery, to a 4-hour long ride, to 2 to 3 hours with some interval training in there. And same thing goes for running. We can have anything from a 30-minute easy run to a 2-hour long run, and then obviously in between there's sessions where we're doing race pace things, and the same applies to the pool. We're swimming usually between 4 and 5K each session, so about 75 to 90 minutes in the pool. On average, across the week, it's probably between 28 and 30 hours of training. I think it's really important to surround yourself with training partners. Obviously being able to push yourself, those days where maybe you're not feeling is great and there's someone else to kind of push you along, and also just the amount of time that we spend training, that there's a little bit of a social aspect there. Obviously it's hard work, but it's nice to be able to share it with the guys around you. The overall training plan for the year, the competitive season runs primarily from March through to September, October. So November, December is sort of down months for us. We're still training, but it's definitely the focus is a little bit less, the intensity is a bit less, and things sort of ramp up. December, January, February is our big base training miles, so put in a lot of volume, maybe not as much intensity, but putting in a lot of volume of training, so lots of running, lots of cycling, lots of swimming. As we progress through the year, the volume maybe gets decreased a bit, but the intensity goes up as we approach race season and get into race fitness. And then through the race season, it's we could be racing every other weekend or sometimes back-to-back weekends. The recovery becomes very important during those times. Are we getting enough rest? Are we getting good sleep?
Well, when you watch Kyle race, he is so smooth and effortless. He's like a gazelle, and what we do is try to keep him as biomechanically efficient as possible. We work on improving his range of motion and his strength. He comes from massage therapy, physiotherapy, and chiropractic care, and some of the techniques we use are manual therapy, active release technique, and it just keeps him 100% ready for his next hard training session and for his next race. The other thing is, after his races, we help him with his recovery.